Oh, hey man, I'm Jinn from DustyHueRoom. So what I'm gonna tell you today is how to reverse a clip. Back to the DaVinci programs, and this is how to reverse your clip. So this clip is a stock clip of myself that my team just shoot on me. Nice. So I have two ways to reverse this clip, because I think that when I reverse this clip and like all of the smoke just suck into my mouth, it look gorgeous. Look, yeah, gorgeous, awesome. So I have two ways to tell you how to reverse the clip. So first way is I click the clip, right click, let's see, right click, and then I go to change clip speed. So this box will appear above the clip, and then reverse speed, and then click change. Just that easy, right? And then let's play it. So whoa, man. Okay, I'm gonna undo it by like Control C, Command Z, whatever. And then this is another way to change the speed. So first I right click, go to real-time control, or I can Control or Command R in my keyboard, and then I click here, this one, this arrow, and then reverse, and that is the result. It's so weird that you have to look at your clip and like creating that. There is two ways to reverse the clip, and if you have any comment or any questions, just comment me below on my YouTube comment or ask me on my Facebook page at DustyHueRoom. And don't forget to like, subscribe and share. I'm Jinn from DustyHueRoom. I'll see you soon.